Do you know that the cure for your cough might be in your kitchen? Mix 1 orange cut with peel, 1 purple onion, 1 lemon cut with peel, 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger. Boil everything for 13 minutes and serve a cup. What happens? Eliminates mucus from the lungs by the root, relieves bronchitis, calms persistent cough, decongests the respiratory tract, reduces throat inflammation, and even helps prevent lung cancer. It's not a medicine, it's a natural recipe you can make at home. Safe, simple, and powerful. Many ignore this because they think only pharmacy remedies work, but nature also heals.